Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very beautiful quilled cactus fridge magnet. These are looking super cute foliages and the background is made using ice cream sticks. Isn't it a super cute and super beautiful? And this is very easy to make. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. First here I am taking total 7 ice cream sticks and I am going to stick it all together to create the base. Like this. Now for the back support I am going to add 2 more sticks. So I am just chopping it according to the width of the base and then I am sticking 2 sticks on back side. Allow it to dry completely. Then I am taking 2 more sticks and just chopping it from the top so that we can create hut kind of shape. And I am going to stick these sticks on top in V manner. Now I am taking 3 more ice cream sticks, joining 3 sticks together, making nice base so that we can stick the pots and sticking it in the bottom part. Similarly making one more bunch of 3 sticks to add the sentiment and I am sticking it exactly in the below of this bunch. Now after drying I will cut this excess stick part so that it will look like hut. Now it's completely dried and our base is ready, so it's time to color it. And to color I am using yellow color chalk paint for the base, and for the hut roof and the base I will going to add pink chalk paint. Now to give wooden effect to the base, I am just taking little bit of brown color on my brush and just adding wooden texture here and there. Can you see how beautiful this is looking? Similarly, I will repeat the same process in the bottom part. Also I will color the back using same yellow color. Now I'm coloring the remaining portion using pink chalk paint. Don't forget to color the edges also. And this is done. Then to create the bell hangings, here I am taking small golden color bell and yellow color thread, just passing through the bell, making some knots here. And I am going to attach this bell hanging with my hut base. So I have already attached one in one corner. Now I am going to attach two more, one in the center and one in other corner. So just add little glue and stick the thread on top of this. Allow it to dry completely. So it's dried and it's looking very cute. Now I'm adding this sentiment, Home Sweet Home, using my brush pen. And this is done. Now it's time to make the tiny pots. So to create pot, I am taking total 3 strips of dark brown color in 3 mm and making one dome shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the tight coil is ready. First we have to secure this using glue, and then using my quilling mold I am making one dome shape, and then I will fill it using liquid glue. To make the flat base, I am just using back part of the pen and pushing exactly in the center of the pot so that the base will be flat, and then I will add glue. Allow it to dry. In the same way I have prepared 2 more pots, so in total we need 3 pots for today's project. Then I am starting with my first cactus. Here I am taking 2 strips of dark green color and making one dome shape. I will fill this dome using glue. And then I am connecting one cone with the dome, which is also made using 2 strips of dark green color. So I am connecting dome with the cone. Cone is made using pencil, very easy to make. And similarly I have prepared 2 more using half strips each, and I am here sticking these 2 parts with my center cone. like this. Allow it to dry. Then I'm starting with my second cactus. So here I'm taking 1.5 strip of light green color and making tight teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared this one, the big one, which is made using 2 strips of light green color. Then this is made using 1 strip of light green color. And these two small ones are made using 1/4 strip of light green color. And this is done. Then I am starting with my last cactus foliage. And for this I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color in 5 mm. Making one cone shape using pencil. Similarly, I have prepared some more cones. I'm just twisting this cone little bit and filling this with glue. Now taking my pot and adding little glue inside this and sticking my cones here and there like this. Then I'm just decorating the pot using this golden color paper strip from the edge. Then I am taking off-white color paper and punching it using small flower punch. This is the daisy flower punch. And using my embossing pad and ball tool, I am just shaping each petal and making the cup shape. So these two tiny flowers are ready and I am just adding these flowers on top of these cones randomly. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more foliage cactus and decorated it with the flowers, and the pot decoration is also done with the same way. So all 3 cactus foliages are ready and they are looking super cute. Now it's time to adhere it with the base. So taking back my base and I'm going to stick all 3 pots like this. Allow it to dry completely. Then randomly I am adding here and there some golden color acrylic dots using my brush just to decorate it little more, because I thought the panel is looking little empty and we have to add some design. So matching with my pot and the bells, I have decided to choose golden color to decorate this. Similarly, I am adding some dots on the roof area as well. like this. And then it's time to attach the magnet in the center. So I have attached it using B6000 glue and also trimming the excess thread from the back. And the super cute fridge magnet is ready. In this way you can make in different color combinations. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.